Just show that.
Let it.
Right, so usually you can.
No, just show it. We're gonna do an unboxing today. I have the pen knife again. You know what that means? Unboxing day. And I got the box right here. There you go. Super small. It's right. You can still see me. So it's actually really small. 5.5 kilograms, less than 6. That's great. And apparently you can bring this into an airplane. So that's a plus. Never done that before. Anyway, let's unbox this. When I said new pen knife, I meant different, but it's actually really old. So it's not really doing anything. Okay, see what's inside. What do you guys think I'm gonna find first? Well, we change it up a bit. It's not foam. Parts. Handle. I got your charger right here. I got your other handle. Alright, but where's the scooter? I don't know where the scooter is. All I find right now is the bag. Ooh, this bag actually looks pretty good. Yeah, let's move that to the side. I like the red. Oh. Okay, we're gonna pull out the scooter now, and there you go. There it is. With the foam. I like rectangle. Anyways, that's basically it. That's how the whole looks. Okay. Yeah. No stand? Or is there? No. You have to attach the stand. There you go. That's the stand right there. Boom. If there was a stand, it would look something like this, I guess. And you just let it rest like that. I don't know. Probably. But yeah. That's the underside of the scooter. I guess if there's one thing that I have to say about the scooter, it's that if you take a look at the handle itself, it's actually pretty bare, pretty plain. No LCD on it. Let's see if you can actually turn this. Oh, look at that. It actually rolls open. You can pull that out. Not right in front of you. Fine. You just lock that up. So I can attach these handles right here so that I can just show you what they look like, I guess. I'm supposing that if you actually have to bring this into the plane, then you'll probably most likely have to take out the handles every time. From what I understand, it's that if you chose to ride this going around the airport, I don't think there would be a big problem. I mean, if you travel a lot and you find yourself at the airport a lot, I guess getting a scooter like this would be right up your alley, because makes traveling a bit easier, walking around the airport, moving around, if you travel a lot, you know? Yeah. That was really short, but hey, it's a really small scooter. Not really much to talk about. Best scooter, I guess, in terms of portability. And also the bag, look at that. That bag is mint. The bag looks good. Put that in the bag. But anyways, like, share, subscribe. Check out the website for details, you know, give us a call. Not me, the company. Bye.